Hello and welcome. Today we are going to solve equations involving absolute value. Okay, we'll start with the question. The question is solve for x, absolute value of 3x plus 1 equal to 4 plus 7x. Okay, we have seen the definition of absolute value is absolute value of x is nothing but plus or minus x. So we're going to use this scenario. So if I do that, my question becomes 3x plus 1 equal to plus or minus 4 plus 7x. Okay, so now the one equation becomes 2. The one of the equation is 3x plus 1 is, first equation is 3x plus 1 equal to 4 plus 7x, or the second equation is 3x plus 1 equal to minus of 4 plus 7x. Okay, so we got that two equations. Now we are going to solve both. Okay, so the first equation I'm going to solve first. If I do that, now I have to remove the 7x from both sides. So when I do that, I end up getting 3x plus 1 equal to 4. Now I have to remove the 1 from both sides. When I do that, I end up having 3x equal to 3, which gives me x equal to 1. Oh, I'm saying I made a mistake, sorry. Okay, this is not 3x. Okay, 3 minus 7x here, which is 3 minus 7x, which is minus 4x, plus 4 is this. So now you do minus 1 on both sides. The next line I still have minus 4x. Then the next line is going to be, I'm going to divide, I'm just going to just divide by negative 1 first. So negative 1, if I divide by negative 1, the question becomes 4x equal to negative 3, and then divide by 4 on both sides gives you x equal to negative 3/4. Okay, this is my first answer, one of the answer for the equation. And the second, actually now I have to solve the second equation, which is 3x plus 1 equal to negative of minus of 4 plus 7x. Okay, so first I need to remove the bracket on the right side. So 3x plus 1 equal to minus 4 minus 7x. And next line, you're adding 7x on both sides, plus 7x on both sides. Now the question becomes 10x plus 1 equal to negative 4. Then minus 1 on both sides. And that makes the question, next line, you're going to have 10x equal to minus 5. Then divided by 10 on both sides gives you x equal to minus 5 over 10 becomes minus half. So minus 5 over 10 becomes minus half. Okay, now we have two answers. But sometimes we have to do testing, especially when you see one side has absolute value, the other side doesn't have absolute value. That means we have to check whether the solutions satisfy both sides. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the testing. So now I'm doing test for x equal to negative 3/4. I'm going to do the test for the other one as well. So I just draw the line a bit more. Okay, so I have to do the test for this first. So now I write the question again. The question is absolute value 3x plus 1, absolute value 3x plus 1 equal to 4 plus 7x. Okay, now this is my left hand side and this is my right hand side. So I'm going to do the testing. So when I do the testing, I write the left hand side equal to absolute value 3x plus 1, which is absolute value of 3 times minus 3/4 plus 1, which gives you 5 over 4. Then I do the right hand side, which is equal to 4 plus 7x, 4 plus 7x, which equal to 4 plus 7 times minus 3/4, and that gives me the answer minus 21 over 4, 16, it's minus 5 over 4. See, when you look at the left hand side, the left hand side is, okay, so left hand side is positive 5 over 4 and right hand side is minus 5 over 4. Now my left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore the conclusion is, therefore x equal to minus 3/4 is not a solution. It is not a solution. Okay, let us check the other one. Okay, let us check the other solution, the second one. So now we are doing test for x equal to minus half, x equal to minus half. So that's what we are going to do. So the same thing, we write the equation first. The equation is absolute value 3x plus 1 equal to 4 plus 7x. Now we know left hand side, right hand side, we mentioned that already. So I'm going to take the left hand side first. Left hand side is absolute value 3x plus 1. So that becomes absolute value of 3 times minus half plus 1, which is going to be half. And then we do the right hand side. Right hand side is 4 plus 7x, which is 4 plus 7 times minus half. That simplifies to positive half. Okay, what we notice here is, we say left hand side is half, right hand side is also half. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore x equal to half minus half is a solution. So therefore the equation, this equation, absolute value of 3x plus 1 equal to 4 plus 7x has only one solution, that is x equal to negative half. Okay, this is the only solution, x equal to negative half. Okay.